What is up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today's like a slow day. Yesterday there was a lockdown before I even got to school. So I couldn't go to school, but then I ended up going to like half the school wasn't even at school. It was pretty crazy. So many birds, so many big birds. Anyways, I'm going to the principal's office because yesterday's sub left his pouch. And yeah, today's like a pretty slow day. Nothing's really happening. I'm just waiting for it to go for a cosmetology club. Crazy birds. It's all wet because it's been raining the past few days. And it's like kind of cold. And there are like huge birds everywhere. But that's cool, I guess. Now I'm just going back to class and waiting for my third period. Oh yeah, right now it's first period. And honestly, today's like a really chill day.
Else, but I do have some expectations, and I'll tell you what they are. The reason I'm going to talk to you a little longer than normal is because I don't know that many faces here. I've seen a couple that I know, but the rest I don't. So I want you to know where I'm coming from. Why? Because I find the easiest way to get me to do something is tell me not, to do it. If you tell me don't do that, you're just guaranteed I'm going to do it, okay? And I figure most of you are probably the same way. So if I tell you something, I like to explain it.
I'm on my way to cosmetology class. Myself here, and I've kind of been alone all day. I don't have many friends to hang out with and to like actually be there like with me 24/7. So like I'm just like by myself most of the time, which is okay. Is it? But anyways, we're gonna be doing something fun in cosmetology. Oh, it's blurry. Okay, well, hey, I just finished cosmetology club, and I didn't record any of it because I was the one getting it done, and I feel like it would have been weird if I was recording them doing my makeup, so I just didn't. But anyways, it's supposed to be like a smoky eye, and I was supposed to be their model, so that's why I have makeup on now. And I wanted to leave before everyone else, so it's cold. So I'm walking back to get my backpack because I left it in the library because I didn't feel like carrying it. Now I'm on my way back, and my phone's about to die. And I still have friends. Yeah, y'all, need friends. Oh, and my eyebrows. I have eyebrows too. I just wish we can get foundation. That way we can all be set. Hi, Joaquin. Oh, that was so awkward. Oh my gosh. I hate recording in front of people. It's so weird to me. Hello. Yo. Our fire alarm went off. My mom calls, says there's a fire truck. There's a firefighter right here right now. Oh my god. So.
Okay, so now I'm going to
home.
Oh, we're not going
Chipotle.
Okay.
Guys, that is it for this weird, crazy, lazy vlog. Like and subscribe. Stay tuned for more videos, and I promise I'll try to put something out that's more interesting. And don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to stay fresh. Peace. Love y'all.